being successful is the desire of all of us residing over this lovely planet. It does not matter whether the concerned person is a child, youth, or the old age. Yet, each and every stages of our life, it is our inbuilt desire to be successful and proceed forward consistently towards more massive success. Well, let me present to you no other than Mr. Eric Iawphniaw, who is very hardworking and dedicated to his work. He has lived in Goa many years and worked in different hotels, and he has visited many parts of Europe, especially in Sweden. When COVID-19 attacked the whole world and brought crisis to everyone, Mr. Eric also was forced to come back to Shillong empty-handed. But he never gave up. As we know, most of the iconic personalities have previously faced serious failures in their life's struggle. Way back after lockdown, with a lot of preparation, he has opened a small restaurant, namely One Soup, Leit restaurant at Mawpun, Kshaid, district. He is a man with a lot of experience. Let us see and witness by ourselves. Thank you.
Never look back. If you saw me cry, would you say